Your power tool uses a basic toggle switch that breaks one side of the circuit. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the on-off switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the cap from the router. Next, I'll separate the electronic control from the router motor. To do that, I'll need to remove several of the wires. First, I'll remove the field wire. Next, the light control harness. Next, the other motor wire. Now remove the cord clamp that secures the power cord to the housing. And now I can remove the electronics assembly from the housing. Now I can remove the rubber boot from the switch. Next, I'll remove the wires from the old switch. And install the new one. Now I can reinstall the rubber boot. The boot fits around the flange on the switch. I'll just work it into place. And now I can reinstall the electronics assembly onto the motor housing. I'll align the switch with the housing. And then the speed control at the rear of the motor housing. And once the electronics assembly is back in place, I can begin reinstalling all of the wires. I'll place the cord protector back into the housing and then secure the cord with the cord clamp. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cap. And that's all it takes to install a new switch in your router.